Using Cash App for Business is a convenient and efficient way to manage your company's finances. To get started, download the Cash App on your mobile device and create an account. You will need to provide your business name, address, and tax identification number to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you can link your business bank account to Cash App. This will allow you to transfer funds and make payments directly from your account. You can also set up a Cash App debit card, which can be used to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs. To send and receive payments, simply enter the recipient's email address, phone number, or $cash tag. You can also generate and share a unique payment link to request payments from customers. Cash App also allows you to track and manage your transactions, including invoices and receipts. One of the key benefits of using Cash App for Business is the ability to track and categorize your expenses. You can use the app to separate personal and business expenses, making it easier to manage your finances and prepare for tax season. Additionally, Cash App offers a range of features to help you manage your cash flow, including instant deposits and payment reminders. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your account information up to date. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In terms of fees, Cash App charges a small fee for instant deposits and ATM withdrawals. However, standard deposits are free and take 1 to 3 business days to process. It is also worth noting that Cash App offers a range of business tools and features, including invoice creation and tracking, which can help you manage your finances and grow your business. Overall, using Cash App for Business can help you streamline your finances and improve your cash flow. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features and tools, you can make the most of your Cash App account and take your business to the next level.